Have you ever wondered if a company is charging too little on purpose to drive out competition? This is known as predatory pricing. This practice involves setting prices artificially low with the specific intent of hurting competitors, rather than just offering a better deal for consumers. The goal is to operate at a loss temporarily, making it unsustainable for smaller rivals to keep up with the low prices. First, the dominant firm slashes prices. Once smaller players are forced out of the market, the firm gains a monopoly and raises prices back up. It is important to distinguish this from healthy competition, which is driven by efficiency rather than the goal of destroying rivals. In the predatory phase, shown in the middle, prices drop below cost. Once the competition is gone, prices often climb higher than the original level. Because this practice can harm the economy, regulatory agencies keep a close eye on pricing strategies to prevent illegal market manipulation. Understanding market dynamics helps you see the bigger picture. Subscribe for more financial concepts explained simply.